Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you a 100% free solution for cookie consent in WordPress. I tried a lot of solutions and a lot of plugins and most of them or all of them were limited or weren't good. And if you want to change anything, you need to go to the premium feature or to buy the plugin. And most of them are really very expensive. They cost a couple of €100, dollars. So now let's go to the solution. The solution has two parts. The first part is installing the plugin. We need to go to add plugin and then to go to the search field and search for Presidium Cookie Consent. And as you see here, it's the first one. It has this kind of cat logo. And if we search just for cookies first, cookie consent, we will see a lot of plugins. I tried compliance, I tried cookies, I tried most of them. And a perfect solution, you need always to pay money for them. And sometimes if you are just a small blogger or someone who has small business, it's not worth it to pay $200-300 for just a plugin. Let's go back to our plugin, the Presidium Cookie Consent. I installed it and it's active. And after installing it and activating the plugin, you will see this cookie consent tab in your dashboard. And when you click on it, you will have here some options to change. You can also at the bottom preview the consent. And this is here on the right side. You can preview the settings. Here you can activate the necessary cookies. You can deactivate them. And this is just a preview of what the user is going to see on his browser. And here you can change the theme. You can go over these options and read and check what they are. But the most important thing is the cookies. And the problem in the Presidium is that they don't have a scanner for cookies. So in order to know what kind of cookies are on your website, you need to use a free scanner. And there is this website, Termly, and they will scan your website for cookies. And let me try to scan my let me scan my website. Let's get the URL of my website and let's just paste it here. And we can just start website scan. As it says here on the screen, it's going to take between 30 to 60 seconds. And it's loading. We will see what kind of cookies we have. And as you see, we have advertising, analytics, performance, and two other categories. They are grayed out because they don't have any cookie. But here you can press on it and you can see the cookie name, the description, and the domain. And these are the most important information to add to your cookie consent plugin. Let's go back to WordPress. And here you can add a new. You have here categories as well. You have necessary cookies, you have analytics, you have targeting, and you have preferences cookies. And you can add more and you can save. As I said, after adding a new cookie, you need to add the name of the cookie and then the domain and then the description. And that's it. And after that, you need to save and you need to test and check if it's working. We have a lot of information now. I think it's not about explaining the Presidium Cookie Consent plugin. It's more about showing you the solutions. So if you're interested in these information or explaining the Presidium Cookie Consent options, leave a comment and I will make a video about it in the future. Hope I helped you. See you in other videos.